Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how to use the waterfall chart visualization in Power BI. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create and personalize a waterfall chart to help tell the story behind your data, whether you're tracking profit and loss, understanding how different values add up over time, or just want to make your reporting more dynamic and insightful. Let's dive right into Power BI. First things first, you want to make sure you're in the right place. Once you have your Power BI report open, take a look over at the right-hand side for your visualizations pane. This is where all the magic happens for chart building in Power BI. Scroll through the visual icons until you spot the one that looks like a little staircase, the waterfall chart. It's often standing out with those layered columns. Go ahead and click on that icon. What you've just done is told Power BI, hey, I want my data to tell a sequential story. Show me where increases and decreases happen. Now a blank waterfall chart will pop up on your report canvas. At this point, it's not showing anything because you haven't connected it to your data yet. On the right, you'll see your fields or data panel. That's where all your tables and columns live. For this tutorial, I've already created a data table that's perfect for the waterfall chart. Think of it as a list with two columns, category and amount. The categories could be anything, departments, products, months, whatever makes sense for the story you're telling. The amount field is where your numbers live. Maybe it's sales, expenses, or headcount changes. Let's start mapping that data to your chart. First, find the category field in your data panel. Click and drag that over into the category area on the waterfall chart. This tells Power BI how the steps should be labeled along your x-axis. Next, grab the amount field and drag it into the values section. Instantly, your chart will come to life and you'll see those classic waterfall steps, some bars rising, others falling, visually walking you through the increases and decreases in your data. This is where waterfall charts shine. If you've ever looked at a profit and loss statement and wished it was more visual, this is exactly what you need. But we're not stopping there. The beauty of Power BI is how customizable these visuals are. With your waterfall chart still selected, look up at the Format Visuals pane. It's the little paint roller icon. Give that a click here, where you can really make the chart your own. You can adjust the X and Y axes to control how your categories and numbers are displayed. Change the colors of increase and decrease bars, for example. Set increases to green and decreases to red for instant clarity, and tweak everything from labels to grid lines. Feel free to explore a bit here and experiment. It's almost like decorating your chart to match your story or brand. Don't worry if things don't look perfect right away. You can always undo changes, and sometimes it takes a few tries to get everything lined up just right. That's it, you've now created and customized your very own waterfall chart in Power BI. This kind of chart is fantastic for showing how you get from a starting value to an ending value with all the ups and downs along the way, whether you're tracking financials, project milestones, or anything else with changes over time. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or other Power BI visuals you'd like to see covered next. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on future tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy charting.